Thanks for joining us here at 5. I'm Marcel Fontenot. Well, in court today, over 20 witnesses and lawyers for the man accused of shooting and killing Lafayette Police Corporal Michael Middlebrook want statements following the shooting to be thrown out. In court today, several witnesses took the stand in the case of Ian Howard, who's accused of killing Middlebrook and injuring 3 others. Howard's lawyers are claiming he was illegally arrested and interrogated. Our Katie Easter has been following these statements today and joins us live from the courthouse with more. Katie.
Well, the hearing's continuing inside right now as we speak. And of course, so far we've only heard from 5 of the police officers who responded to the call that night. Right now, I know they're actually hearing from a state trooper via Zoom. And I think one more tonight is going to be a nurse. So far, they watched I have personally heard, but the court has watched a video from 3 different body cam footage. And they watched a video footage of Ian Howard being driven over to the police department. Now the officers testifying as the court listens to all these videos. Howard can be heard yelling several comments, including water, water, water. It wasn't me. It was a black guy. I am a white guy. I do not even have a gun. At one point, he is also heard saying, "Read me my rights." So far, all 5 of the officers who took the stand testified they did not read him his rights because he was not coherent at the time. And the procedure is to wait until they are more calm. The officers testify the video shows Howard inside of a coolie right outside of the store. One hand was in the air and the other was inside the water. Each have told the court that they were not able to see what he had under the water, therefore making it a dangerous situation. The court also learned today Howard was tased, beaten in the head with a 3-pound flashlight, and punched in the head by another officer while they say he was resisting arrest. And that same officer that testified that he did punch him in the head said he did not break his hand, but he actually sprained his hand from the punch. Now, again, we have several more witnesses to go through. And of course, this will go on until Friday when the judge will ultimately decide if the statements and if anything that he said before he was actually read his Miranda rights will be thrown out. Live in Lafayette, Katie Easter, KTC TV3.